Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Freedom Mortgage account. Keep watching the video till the end if you'd like to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. In the address bar at the top, type in www.freedommortgage.com and press enter. You'll end up in the official website of Freedom Mortgage. Go and click on this login button with the human figure at the upper right corner, and this will take you to the login area for your Freedom Mortgage account. If you already have an account, you can go ahead and enter your username and password into the text boxes that appears under the login area. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on this register now button at the right hand side of the screen. Follow the instructions and you'll be able to register yourself for a new account for Freedom Mortgage. For existing mortgage users, go and enter your username into the first text box where it says username. In case you don't remember your username, you can get help by clicking on this forgot username link right beneath the box and follow the instructions to find your username. After you're done with your username, type in your password into the password text field. Type in the correct password while logging into your account. In case you don't remember your password, you can also get help for your password by clicking on this forgot password link and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. Once you've typed in the password, you can double check your password before moving on by clicking on this little eye icon. Finally, after everything's typed in, click on the login button and you'll be logged into your Freedom Mortgage account in no time. That is all for today's video. That is how you can easily do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll surely be back soon with more tutorial contents like this. Thank you for watching.